So in this video, I'm going to talk about pages, posts, how they are different from each other, categories and tags. So hello everyone, I'm Shivani Goyal. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So let's start with pages part. What are pages? In your website, pages are used to display static. That is one of type content. These are just like your company's history, about us, contact us. These all are the pages here. Basically, any content that might be considered titles. So pages are also considered in hierarchical, which is just a fancy way of saying you can have sub pages as well. So these are pages. For example, if I'm talking about your pages, so in your website you have about us page, you have contact us. These all are the pages here. You have blog page here, and in your blog page here you can find some post here. These are known as post here, and this blog is known as page here. This is the difference between your pages and the post here. So what are post? So post tends to be timely, as in they are usually the latest news for the company, and they are typically displayed in reverse chronological order. It means that the newest post being at the top in your blog page. Example, in your blog page, this is your page here. Blog is a page here. In your blog page, we have post. This is post 1 for April 25. Then another post for your March. This is another post of February 28. So this order is known as reverse chronological order. It means whatever be the new post, that should be displayed at the top. That is at the top. This is your reverse chronological order. Now, the difference between your pages and the post is here. We can categorize posts, but the pages are hierarchical. If I'm talking about categorize, here you can see when we create one particular post, here we have an option of category as well. Here you can choose your category and the tags for any particular post, but for pages you have no category and tag option available here because they are in hierarchical order. So what basically category and tags are? Category, which is used as a journal grouping of your post, much likely a table of content for your website. Let's suppose here you have e-commerce website, and in your e-commerce website, categories are the category of any particular product. For example, if I'm saying soap is a category, and if I'm saying tag is basically what type of soap. If I'm saying Dove, so this is the soap here. So for Dove, this is the tag here, and soap is the category of this particular product here. So by this way, it makes our work easier to differentiate in your product. So category is basically a grouping of your post, which is most likely a table of content for your website, and tags used as a descriptor for your content, much likely the index found at the back of the book. This is the main difference between your category and the tag here. And your great example of the tag is your receipt site. Next is how to avoid WordPress tag related issues. Distinguish between categories and tags. You can use categories for broad categorization. For example, sports, soap, and use tag for more specific. That is football or New York Jets. So this is the more specific of your sports. So this is known as category and tag. Only use tag if you need tag. Now, let me explain practically how you can create pages, post, category and tag. Let me explain you practically. So this is our website here. Here in this website, we have to create pages, post, and also work on the category and tags as well. For this, let me explain you how you can create pages. For page creation, here in your left hand side, we have option here, that is pages. This is the page option available here. In that case, for creation of new page, you can click on, and here we have to write the title of the page, whatever be the title you want to give. For any blog page, you can write blog here. For contact us page, you can write contact us here. For about us page, you can write about us here. So for page creation, here you have to give title. Let's suppose I just want to give title here, that is blog. So with the help of this, you can create that, as I already create my blog page here, just like this. It is visible just like this on your website screen here. So this is how you can create blog. After writing your title, if you want to add more information in your page, you can simply type here, or you can simply click on this plus sign. Here you have an option. If you want to write any paragraph, you can do that. If you want to write any heading, you can write that. If you want to add any custom HTML, any kind of coding you want to add, you can do that. List, images, or when you click on browse all option, then you also have more options to adding that. This is how you can create pages in your website. After doing that, you have to simply click on publish here. This is how you can create pages. Next, how we can create post in our website. For your post creation, you have to simply click on post. After that, you have to click on add new. Here, when you click on add new, you have to simply click that. Here you have to write title of this particular post. Let's suppose our title is, what is the difference between categories and tags? Here you have to write your answer. Here you have to simply write your answer. Let's suppose this is your heading here. So in that case, you have to simply choose as a heading here. You have to write that. If this is again a heading here, you have to simply choose that and type heading here. If you want to write any paragraph, you can also, okay. So after adding this particular post, if you want to add that, in that case, what you have to do here, this is your post, and now we have to create category. For your category creation, in your setting, in your post option, now you have an option here, that is categories. In case of categories, by default it is uncategorized. If you want to add any category, you have to click on add new category. Then you have to give name, that is you have to write the name of your category. If this is your parent category, then you have to simply click on add new category, or if this is your subcategory, in that case you have to choose your parent category. After that, you have to click on add new category. So this category is added here. Let's suppose here you have to create subcategory. So how you can do that? Here you can give simply the name of your subcategory, and after that you have to choose the name of your parent category here, and then you have to click on add new category, just like this. This is your parent category and this is your subcategory. So you can create your category just like this. After that, how you can create tags. For your tag creation, you can write tags here. Tags gives you an idea about your post, like your post is about what particular topic. For example, this is about your categories and tags. So you have to simply put that. That is your tags here. So you have to simply create your tag in this way. And after doing this, you have to simply click on publish. If you want to schedule this, then you can also do that. You have to simply click on that and you have to simply choose your public, private and password protected, whatever be the post you want to create. Or if you want to publish it immediately, then you can do that, or you can simply schedule it here. After that, you have to simply click on publish here. This is how you can create pages, post, category and tags. So thank you so much for watching this video.